Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you how and where you can find and access special characters and symbols for your Microsoft Word document really quickly. Like for example, I don't know, Roman numerals or Chinese letters and so on and so forth. This is how you can access them, guys. Switch from the Home tab to the Insert tab in the top left, and here on the right hand side you will see a section called Symbols. So you may, for example, add an equation if you're working on a document in mathematics or physics. Or alternatively, guys, click on symbol here, and here you'll see a list of all recently used special characters and symbols, like for example, checkboxes, check marks, Roman numerals. That's the special characters and symbols I have used so far. So you may gain access to more of them by clicking on more symbols here. You may, for example, change the font if you like. And yeah, simply browse through that list of special characters and symbols. As you can see, it features it's pretty extensive. It features quite a lot of these special characters and symbols, including arrows, Japanese letters, and we see also Korean and Chinese letters like that, like these here. Roman numerals, you just need to browse through that list to find them. And that's basically it. Once you have found your symbol you would like to use, so let me go with that Chinese letter here. Click on Insert at the bottom. You may also assign a shortcut if you're using or if you're planning to use the given special character or symbol more frequently, and assign a shortcut here. So click on Insert there, and that's basically it. As you can see, the symbol and special character has been added to your document. So now you may highlight it and copy paste it by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V over and over again to copy it. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.